We'll verify the antecedent.
ಯಾರು ಇವರೆಲ್ಲ?
He is the complainant and they are the petitioners.
ಅಟೆಂಪ್ಟ್ ಟು ಮರ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಯಾರು?
Allegation is that these
ಕಂಪ್ಲೇನೆಂಟ್ ಯಾರು?
complainant is the punishment. He is the complainant.
ಅವ್ರು ಅಕ್ಯೂಸ್ಡ್?
Yes.
ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ನೋಡಿದ್ರ ಹೊಡೆದ್ರ?
ಹೇಳಿ.
ಏನ್ರಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಹೊಡೆದ್ರ? ಮತ್ತೀಗ ಯಾಕೆ ಸೆಟಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರಿ? ದುಡ್ಡೆಲ್ಲ ಬಂತ ವಾಪಸ್ಸು?
ಇಲ್ಲ, he has taken the amount. He repaid it.
ಅಕ್ಯೂಸ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು, ಹಂಗ ಹೊಡಿಯೋದೇ ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಎಸ್, ಆಂಟಿಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೋಡಿ. ಮುಂದಿನ ಶುಕ್ರವಾರ ತಗೋಣ.
Please.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಬರಕ್ ಹೇಳಿ.
My name may be shown, my lord.
ಅವ್ರ ನೇಮ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬಿಡಿ ಮೇಡಮ್.
Bill number 10.
ಗಿರೀಶ್ ನಿಮ್ದೆ?
Matrimonial dispute resolved between the parties. And they have secured
ಎಲ್ಲಿ?
the decree of divorce
ಅಲ್ಲ,
before the.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರ?
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಕೊಡಿ,
Divorce ಆಗಿದೆ consent.
ಕೊಡಿ ಕೊಡಿ.
Case and counter malady.
Case and counter case.
ಆಯ್ತು ಕೊಡಿ.
Permitted to file wakala.
ಎಸ್,
307 ಇದೆ ಸರ್ ಒಬ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ.
Not solely.
ಹಸ್ಬೆಂಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವೈಫ್ ತಾನೆ?
Husband.
Husband and wife. Compromise.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರ ತರ ಹಂಗಿರ್ಬಾರ್ದು.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ I disclose the things before your lordship.
307 ಇದೆ.
ಇರ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡಿ.
ನಾನು ಅದನ್ನ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ ಈಗ. They are undertaking before the family
all
court
right,
stating
yes.
that we are agreed to compromise the
ಆಯ್ತು.
criminal cases.
ಎಸ್ ಎಸ್, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್.
Much obliged.
ಬೋತ್ ಬೋತಾ?
10 ಇಂಟರ್.
11 ಇವ್ರದೇನಾ?
None. Case
ಹಾ
and-
ಸರಿ ಸರಿ, ಆಲ್ ರೈಟ್.
Party in person. K. Krishnamurthy.
I am the petitioner in person, your lordships.
ಹ್ಮ್.
Being aggrieved by the order passed in criminal petition 103 of 2023, 820, I have preferred this appeal before, petition before
Appeal.
this honorable court.
ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ ತಾಳಿ. ಕ್ರಿಮಿನಲ್ ರಿವಿಷನ್ ಪಿಟಿಷನ್?
Being aggrieved by the criminal.
ಆಯ್ತು, ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ
103 of 2000.
ವೇಟ್ ಸರ್. B report is accepted.
First time the B report has been rejected by the court.
Hmm.
Second time the B report has been accepted by the court.
You are
And-
challenging that.
And I have challenged that in criminal revision petition 103 of 2000.
That is also rejected.
That is also accepted by the court.
Correct.
But, sir, ingredients are there.
What
It is
ingredients?
a documentary evidence case.
What ingredients, sir?
Section 341, 403, 405, 406.
And you were stopped from entering the premises.
Yes, sir.
What?
For that, I have produced the documentary evidence.
Let the, sir, ಯಾವಾಗ ಆಗಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ ಮೇಡಮ್.
For all the provisions of law, I have produced it.
ಇನ್ನೊಂದು 6 ತಿಂಗಳು ಆಗ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡಿ, ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಆಗಲಿ. ಹಾ. Yes, let them come.
Okay.
Yes. List after 2 weeks, yes.
41.
ನಿಮ್ದು ಯಾವುದು?
40, serial number 40, list number 1.
2 weeks ಆಯ್ತು.
ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಇರ್ಲಿಲ್ವಲ್ಲ ನೀವು?
ಇದ್ರು.
ಓ, ಇದ್ರು ನೀವು ಆರ್ಗ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ 2 weeks, 2 weeks ಡೇಟ್ 2 weeks ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಆಯ್ತು, ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ ಇರಿ. ಇದೇನ್ ರೀಕಾಲ್ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ? ಅಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದು ಏನಾದ್ರು ಮಾಡೆಲ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಇದೆಯಾ ರೀಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು? The subject petition comes to be disposed on 18 September 2025. The revenue has filed an application seeking a recalling of the order. In the light of the judgment rendered by the apex court, alva? Judgment rendered by the apex court. The request to consolidate all matters before a particular bench. In that light, the order dated so and so stands recalled in all these cases. The matters be placed before the bench having roster. You're then 40. And respective dates ಹಾಕಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡಿ ಮೇಡಮ್. ಶ್ರೀ ಕೃಷ್ಣಮೂರ್ತಿ ನೀವೇನಾ? ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡೆಂಟ್ ಒಂದು ಸರ್ವ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿ. ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ, ಅಪಿಯರ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಅಡ್ಜರ್ನ್ ಮಾಡಿತ್ತು. ಸಣ್ಣ ಪ್ರೇಯರ.
Go to prayer. To call for entire records in criminal petition 103 of 2020 or the file of additional city civil sessions judge CCH 53.
ಮೈಕ್ ಹತ್ರ ಬನ್ನಿ. ಮೈಕ್ ಹತ್ರ ಬನ್ನಿ.
Sir, to call for entire records
Hmm.
in criminal petition 103 of 2020 on the file of additional city civil and sessions judge CCH 53 at Bangalore, and to call for entire records in PCR number 19018 of 2012 on the file.
ಇರ್ಲಿ, ಏನ್ ಬೇಕೀಗ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ?
ಅದೇನಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಏನೇನ್ ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟರಿ ಎವಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನೋ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ತಮ್ಮ ಗಮನಕ್ಕೆ ತರಿಸೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ಆಯ್ತು, ನೋಡುವ. ಈಗ ಬರ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರು, ಒಂದು ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡುವ.
ಆಯ್ತು.
2 ವಾರ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಒಂದು ಡೇಟ್ ಕೊಡಿ. 3 weeks. 30ನೇ ತಾರೀಕು ಬನ್ನಿ.
Passed or matter? 26 is to.
Manoj, may I request on
Also for respondent number.
ಪಾಸ್ ಓವರ್ ಯಾಕಾಗಿತ್ತು?
my lordship, he said he will get senior.
Senior ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಪಾಸ್ ಓವರ್.
ಸೀನಿಯರ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರಾ? 5:30 ಆಯ್ತು, ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ? ವಿಲ್ ಅಲೋ ದ ಪಿಟಿಷನ್ ದೆನ್. ಏನಿದೆ?
My lordship,
406.
406, 420, my lord, offense registered. Now, my lord, that they should have filed a civil suit, my lordship. They have not yet filed any civil suit.
ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ?
My lordship, there is no entry order.
There is.
Adrallide,
26.1.
please.
In the light of the interim order subsisting in the companion petition, there shall be an interim order in the case at hand as well, solely on the score that the respondent complainant has not made his submissions. Yes.
Much obliged.
Next.
30 more, BB Ravishankar.
ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಇದೆಯಾ?
Proceedings under 138 of the NI Act. Lordships may kindly turn to page 30. The check-in controversy was for rupees 4 lakhs, my lords. The check-in controversy, my lordships would find at page number 30. It is for 4 lakhs. Now, my lords, during pendency of the case, lordships may kindly turn to page number 47. There was a settlement which was arrived upon between the complainant and the accused. The matter was agreed to be settled for 4 lakhs at page 47, my lords. That is an agreement, my lords, entered into by the complainant.
You
and
are the accused?
I am the accused, my lords.
Settlement ಏನಾಯ್ತು?
My lords, 4 lakh rupees I have paid 3 lakhs, my lords. I could not contest the matter because of my age. I thought better I will settle the matter and I entered into an agreement. Lordships would find
ಈಗ
the
ಕನ್ವಿಕ್ಟ್
transfer of rupees 3
ಕನ್ವಿಕ್ಟ್
lakhs.
ಆಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಈಗ?
Convict agide solely on the ground that the documentary evidence is unchallenged.
So that's all right. ಈಗ
My lords, now I have filed an appeal. There is a
20%.
20% deposit.
ಮತ್ತೆ?
My lords, I've already paid 3 lakhs. Out of settlement of 4 lakhs, my lords, I've already paid 3 lakhs, my lords. I've already paid 3 lakhs. I've produced the
Petitioner to
bank
serve on
account
the
statement.
counselor represents the respondent in the appeal proceedings. Further proceedings before the concerned court shall remain stayed till the next date. List the matter on 22nd.
I'm grateful, my lords.
ಅದು SPP ಅವರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ಯಾವ್ದು? ಟ್ಯೂಸ್ಡೇ ವೆನ್ಸ್ಡೇ. ಟ್ಯೂಸ್ಡೇ ಬೇಡ, ವೆಡ್ನೆಸ್ಡೇ ಹಾಕಿ.